In my next video, I will show you another arc tool. Hi, I am Ramola and today I'm going to show you how to use the arc tool. I am going to use the arc tool to deepen my neckline. This is my back borders and I'm going to shorten the shoulders. Okay, and I'm going to go to the arc tool and I'm going to select the arc tool. This is the tool that I'm selecting, the arc. And I'm going to click onto my base point at the neckline. And I come up with this pop-up. I want the radius to be the length of my neckline here, plus another, say, 6 centimeters to drop my shoulder up to this point here. And watch what happens. I'm going to go into this function tools. My measurements are already in the measurement. So I'm going to add my length of my curve. That is from A to A3. And I'm going to select A3 to A3. And I'm going to add another 6 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to press OK. And the next angle, the first angle is going to be 270 degrees. I'm going down, so I'm dropping this neckline down. So it's going to be 270 degrees. And my second angle is going to be the angle from here to that point. Is going to be the same as the A to A3. I'm going to click here and I'm going to select my length of my curve as A to A3. And now I'm going to minus 12 because I added 6 here. So I'm going to double that and I'm going to minus 12 centimeters. And I'm going to press OK. And then now I'm going to click Apply and OK. And as you can see, it had created a new back depth. Now this is my new back neck depth. I'm going to show you what happens. Now I'm going to go to detail mode and I'm going to select all my pieces. So you don't do anything else to this. I'm just going to select the curve and I'm going to select my shoulder point here. I'm going to select my armhole curve. Please make sure that you click onto the curve. Otherwise, it's not going to select the curve. Then I'm going to click my rest of my points according to my pattern. And there is my new pattern in red. I'm going to click enter and it takes me through. Okay, it says ready to open the detail features and you complete creating the main part. That's the main part that was created. I'm going to press OK and I'm going to go into the detail mode and this is where my pattern appears. Now this is my new pattern piece. By using the arc tool, I recreated a new back depth and it adjusted my shoulder line, etc. And now here is where you can carry on and you can add your seam allowance, etc. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know under comments. And okay, while you're at this stage here, say for example, if you feel now your neckline is a bit too wide and it's gonna cause a neck gap at the center here, all you have to do is just click onto this and then you go here onto the first angle and you're going to add, I'm going to add about 6 centimeters and watch what happens to my neckline here when I added 6 and I press enter. As you can see, it moved away from the center line. So you don't have to worry about anything because once you got it in detail, it will self-adjust. So your neckline will get shortened just by doing that. Thank you for watching.